My name is Eliza Tandingan Jacinto, 27 years old, live in Buaya Balbangan, Kalinga province. I have one child. My mother and my father is a farmer. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I am a college level. I have an experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia, 3 years and 3 months. I serve elderly couple. They are both good condition, 3 children ages 7 years old, 3 years old, and 2 years old. Since September 21, 2021 until December 24, 2024. My main duties and responsibilities is take care of the whole family, especially the 2 young children. I make sure the whole house is clean and neat. I wash their clothes and cook their dishes and etc. To my future employer, please hire me. I am hardworking and dedicated and willing to do the task given. Looking forward to the work with you. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.